This is 2017. We took an above ground pool that had been in place for 25 years and we removed the pool. We used pieces of the metal, which was kind of cool, to make our borders for our garden. But the problem with the garden was the soil was totally dead. It had no organic matter and had had none for 25 years. So there was no earthworms. It was sand. The sand you see in the path is the sand that we had. So we brought in some horse manure and we got bags of leaves from our neighbors every week and mixed wood chips and compost, and we planted just about directly in that. And we're going to show you how to do that and line it with some bricks and not burn your plants. And it made a beautiful garden the first year. It's going to be a lot better the second year, but for me to have a garden, I had to have a garden the first year. We're going to show you how to do that. We're going to show you the tips and tricks along the way, so stay tuned for ideas, and we're going to rock on gardens this year and plant everything you guys need.
Now the stuff you're seeing now is probably in late May to June time frame where stuff really got going. I was really impressed at how well this garden took off, and it's going to be even better in 2018. We got the garden laid out, 5 truckloads of horse manure to get it going, and we got rid of the pool shell, and it's going to be nice. We got 3 raised beds that we're going to work off.
Show you how to build raised beds, really nice big raised beds.
So we're looking forward to 2018. So join us on Vicky's Garden Adventures and subscribe and give us a thumbs up.